And the subject is such that your lordships may not be in a position to conceive of variety of situations which may arise and which will have to be taken care of. Lord, mere declaration that they have a right would be, my lord, begging the question. If they have a right, how the rights would be regulated? How variety of problems will be solved? And I'll give examples, my lord, which only Parliament can take care of. Now, my lord, kindly consider, my lord. Pre-56, marriages used to take place between heterosexual persons, my lord. Conventional man, conventional woman. There was no recognition except societal acceptance. Once it gained societal acceptance, in Hindus at least, it came to be codified in 1956 by way of a Hindu Marriage Act. For other religions, by and large, it remains uncodified. Marriage between heterosexual, same religion persons. I am on the concept of marriage, the social status which it gets. Now, my lord, the moment any right which was pre-existing even without recognition by law is recognized, it is also regulated. And then there is no absolute right to marry even today between heterosexual couples. And why I say this? A man has to be 21 years and a woman has to be 18 years, meaning thereby the law prescribes when to marry. Bigamy is prohibited. So law prescribes how many times you can marry simultaneously till your wife is or husband is alive. There are prohibitions regarding degrees of prohibited relationships, meaning thereby law regulates whom not to marry. Once the law recognizes this socio-legal institution as a marriage, you just can't walk out of that institution. Law regulates even that, on what grounds you can have judicial separation and on what ground you can have divorce. So how to separate is also a legislatively regulated provision. So coming to the privacy part, even the codified law amongst heterosexuals protect the privacy of man and a woman inside the bedroom. But there are certain provisions where there is an intrusion to privacy rights also. For example, impotence is a ground for divorce. That is something very, very private and personal between the two human beings. But then, if it is a case of divorce, you will have to come out and prove it. So your privacy is breached. My lord, substance of my submission, which I will elaborate, is, my lord, that once a legislative recognition is given to a particular form of union, it comes with it several regulatory provisions. And it is only the Parliament, my lord, which can conceive of several situations which would arise in this relationship which is now recognized and can provide for its regulation. It would be impossible for the court to conceive all situations.